Hi everyone, welcome to Sweet Pea Sid's Inspirations. My name is Sydney and today we are going to learn how to do the Hens and Chicks knit stitch. This stitch is a little cool because once you have it worked up a little bit, you can start to tell that it does and the eyelets look like hens and chicks. So this pattern is a little bit more on the intermediate to experienced level. We are going to be doing some knit 3 togethers, some knit 2 togethers, some slip knits, and some yarn overs, giving it the intermediate to experienced level. But also this is going to be a 4-row repeat, along with the multiple is 8 plus 7. The plus 7 acts as to keep our edges a little bit more uniform. So go ahead and grab your needles and whatever yarn you would like, and we can go ahead and get started on the first row repeat. To start the first row repeat, we are going to do a knit 2 together. Now this is just for our edging. I will let you know once we have gotten to the repeat unit. So go ahead and knit those 2 together, and then we are going to yarn over twice. Now for the repeat unit, we are going to knit 3 together. So go ahead and knit 3 together. And knitting 3 together can be a little tight and a little bit tricky. Just try to get your needle in there as best as you can. So go ahead and knit those 3 together. We're going to yarn over twice, counterclockwise, so 1 and 2. And then we are going to do a slip knit. Now how I do my slip knit is I knit 2 together in the back loop only, but you can do whatever you prefer to do. So go ahead and do a slip knit or a knit 2 together in the back loop only. And then we are going to knit 1, knit 2 together, and then we are going to yarn over twice. And that is the repeat unit, so I will do that with you guys once more, and we are going to continue repeating that until we get to the last 5 stitches. So again, for the repeat unit is we are going to knit 3 together. Go ahead and yarn over twice. Do a slip knit or knit 2 together in the back loop, whichever you prefer. Go ahead and knit 1, knit 2 together, and then yarn over twice. Now once you have gotten to the last 5 stitches, we are going to knit 3 together, and then we are going to yarn over twice and do a slip knit or a knit 2 together in the back loop only. So that is the first row repeat. That repeat or that first row might be a little tight where we are doing so many knit 2 togethers and knit 3 togethers, and that is going to be our right side of our work. Now our second row repeat, we are going to purl in every stitch, but once we get to the 2 yarn overs that are back to back, the first yarn over we are going to do a purl, and then the second one we are going to do a knit. So I will show you that. So go ahead and purl until you get to the first double yarn over, which should be right after that first stitch. So go ahead and purl, and then that second yarn over we are going to knit. Again, we are going to purl until we get to that double yarn over. 1, and again that was 1 stitch. So purl that first yarn over and knit the second yarn over. Be careful not to drop your yarn overs. Switching between the purl and the knit while doing the yarn overs can be a little tricky and easy to lose those stitches. Again, purl until you get to that double yarn over. 1, 2, so that first double yarn over, we are going to purl that stitch, and then knit the second one. So go ahead and continue doing that until you get to the end of the row. Again, purl up until you get to the yarn overs. That first yarn over we are going to purl, the second one we are going to knit. For the third row repeat, we are going to start off with a knit 1 and a yarn over, and then a slip knit. Now that is not part of the repeat unit, that is just for our edge stitches. Now for the repeat unit, we are going to knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over twice, so 1 and 2, and then knit 3 together. Go ahead and yarn over twice, and then a slip knit or a knit 2 together in the back loop, however you prefer to do your slip knit. And that is the repeat unit for row number 3 until you get to the last 4 stitches. So again, we are going to knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over twice, do a knit 3 together, yarn over twice again, and then do your slip knit. Now once you have gotten to the last 4 stitches, we are going to do a knit 1, a knit 2 together, a yarn over, and then a knit 1. So that is the repeat unit for row number 3. For row number 4, we are going to do the exact same thing like we did as row number 2. So go ahead and purl in that very first stitch. And where that second stitch is a single yarn over, we are also going to purl in that stitch. Purl in the next. So continue purling until you get to the double yarn over. Once you get to the double yarn over, we are going to knit one and then purl the second one. So I'm at my double yarn over, and how you can tell that double yarn over is, so I'm at my double yarn over, and so again I'm going to purl that very first one and then knit. Go ahead and knit the second one. Again, I'm going to continue purling until I get to my double yarn overs. So I'm at my next one. Again, I'm going to purl the first one. And then knit the second one. So continue doing that until you get to the end of row 4, and that is our last row repeat. So that is it for the Hens and Chicks knit lace stitch. And as you can see, you do see some, like a little outline of some hens and then a little outline of some chicks going on here. But that is it for the 4-row repeat for the stitch. If you did enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to give this video a like, share, comment, or subscribe. If you do have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can feel free to email me, which will be down in the description box. But if you would also like to check out other tutorials, I do have more knitting tutorials along with crocheting and some Tunisian tutorials as well. But I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys next time.